Why do 75% of successful grad students rave about their advisors? Let's find out. Your academic advisor can truly make or break your research experience. A good advisor guides your project, helps secure funding, and even shapes your future career. So, choosing wisely is a must. First, start your search on university websites. Explore faculty profiles, recent publications, and lab projects. Use ResearchGate and Google Scholar to find top researchers in your field. Follow professors on LinkedIn and academia.edu, and keep an eye on keynote speakers at conferences. When you're ready to reach out, write a professional email. Introduce yourself, mention your research interests, show you've read their work, and ask if they're taking new students. Attach your CV and a brief research proposal. Look for advisors whose research aligns with yours, are communicative, offer funding opportunities, and have successful mentorship histories. And don't hesitate to ask current or former students about their experiences. Watch out for red flags like delayed responses, lack of recent publications, no successful students, or negative feedback. Remember, finding the right advisor isn't just about getting accepted, it's about thriving in grad school. Do your homework, be professional, and stay respectful. You're building a mentorship that could last a lifetime. Found this helpful? Subscribe to TTube 2025 and share this video with anyone dreaming of a master's or PhD.